Well, to see better this place, it is nice that I navigate you a little bit via the Google Earth now, not by the flight simulator. So this is the south part of Eboa, the Ormos Platanisto, as you see over there. And we are approaching, we have an elevation of about 9 kilometers at this moment. So let's see now for which piece of land we are talking about. It's a very nice area. Let's make it a little bit more clear. I would like to take a little bit the grid out, and we can see now clear. The whole area, it is all this piece of land, so it takes this, it includes these two beautiful bays inside. It is starting from here, all this area, and it goes above. We have an altitude of 91 meters over here, and we can see it goes up till this place. So it makes all this round, and it makes all this round that I show you till here. So this piece here belongs to another owner. So Karistos SA has all this piece of land, which is for sale for 6 million. It goes till here, to this place. So just to give you an idea of what we are talking about, calibrating a little bit the distance, showing you the distance, you have to realize something like, as you see, the whole length, it is 1.11 kilometers still here, and it is 1 kilometers still here, even till here we are, and also 1.17 kilometers. So that's a big area. This is about 770,000 square meters, which at this moment it is outside of the plan of the area, but you can realize that in a bit of time it's going to be in, so you can see how beautiful is this bay. This bay, Place Déserte, as it says, so you can have another view over here. It's a very nice piece of land. The height is about, it starts from 12 meters to 30 meters, so this can be, with nice license, it can be really beautiful, accommodated to be a wonderful hotel, or you can do really magnificent construction on that. There are no trees in this place, as we can see. Besides, already came in the plan, so it is pretty interesting to buy at this moment this piece of land for the price of 6 millions. If we realize that at the moment that enters to the plan, this price is going to be 4 or 5 times up, I think is the right moment to make the right decision for such a beautiful place. On the right side, besides, you can see we have some nice beaches. It's beautiful, which is the Plaza area. We have look, such a beauty. It's really a nice place. It's a very nice place. See? So this is the besides. Now here we have two beautiful small sandy beaches which you can take advantage of. It's a very nice shelter for yachts, where we have north winds. So for north winds and north east winds, even east winds, and even south winds sometimes is still a good shelter, because you can see the place. It is really a place to be. So this is for the moment. This is the plot of land. Please contact us on the email address and telephone number that you will find below, and we will be in contact with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.